A temporary halt to Japan's Antarctic whaling program was ordered by the International Court of Justice on Monday. Australia had sued Japan at the UN's highest court in hopes of ending the world's biggest whale hunt in the icy Southern Ocean. The presiding judge said Japan's current Antarctic program fails to justify the large number of minke whales it says it needs to catch for scientific research. Terrence Terrashima joins us live in Tokyo with the latest. And Terrence, what are the reactions there from the Japanese government and the public for that matter?
Yes, Mike, amongst the Japanese public, there are mixed feelings. Many young generations have very little familiar with whale meat culture and also interest with the research whaling. But there are strong debate here in Japan on the purpose and effectiveness of this research whaling as well. Quite a number of the Japanese, regardless whether they support it or not, agree with needs of research whaling. But however, there have been some disappointments from the fishing communities, which has been close to whaling for generations, but also some of the young people accepted the decision. The Japanese government gave little reactions. Japanese Chief Cabinet Secretary Suga said that Tokyo is deeply disappointed by the decision, but Japan will comply with the decision. And Japanese Foreign Ministry spokesman who accompanied the delegation also issued this statement.
Japan regrets and is deeply disappointed that JARPA 2, the second phase of Japanese research whaling in the Antarctic, has been ruled by the court as not falling within the scope of or the provisions of Article 8, Paragraph 1 of ICRW.
The Japanese cabinet spokesman said that Japan will carefully analyze the situation and consider its next action. But analysts here say that Japan is also has a small research whaling in a North Pacific Ocean, and Japan is eyeing to restart controlled commercial whaling, it will be considering how to go about in protecting that North Pacific research whaling. But also some officials showed concern that there are complex politics behind these whaling issues, and Japan's tuna fishing may be the target for future debate. So not giving in too easily on the whaling issue is something of interest of some of the Japanese officials from the fisheries agency. Back to you, Mike.
All right, Terrence Terrashima in Tokyo. Thanks so much.